Okay. Make the heading distinct clause.
What's that?
Distinct clause. Dis distinct clause. It is used to fetch only the unique value. Distinct clause. It is used to fetch only the unique value. Okay. Write the definition. It is used to fetch. It is used to fetch only the unique value. Okay. Then syntax. Write down the syntax. Select distinct and column name and give the table name font. Give any table name. Write down the syntax. This is the syntax of distinct clause. Okay. Distinct clause, then write some part. Distinct clause will eliminate the duplicate value in the final output. Distinct clause will eliminate the duplicate value. Okay. In the final output. Done? Everyone done? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then take an example for this distinct clause. Write a query. Write a query to display only unique salary. Only unique salary. For give the condition. Okay. For all the employee only unique salary. Suppose in a company there are the 100 of the employees there, but you have to face the employee only the unique salary. You have to face by the salary the employee. Any idea, guys? How to face? Only the unique salary. Those who have the unique salary, that person only you have to fetch. How to fetch?
Sir, I have to fetch the only the salary column or also the name column also.
Only the salary.
Okay, okay. So sir, select distinct salary.
Select distinct
Distinct salary
salary
from
cell.
employee table. The
Very
name.
good. Very good. From EMP table. Right. This is the employee table. This is the thing. This is the query of this question. Write a query to display only the unique salary for all the employees. Select distinct cell. हम किसको फेस कर रहा है? सैलरी को. तो किसको डिस्टिंक्ट कर रहा है? सैलरी को. तो डिस्टिंक्ट सेल फ्रॉम वेयर? एम्प्लॉय टेबल. एम्प्लॉय टेबल में जितना एम्प्लॉय सैलरी एम्प्लॉय है सबका जितना यूनिक सैलरी है उसको सिर्फ फेच करो. ठीक है. सपोज this is the employee table, right? This is employee table. EMP table. There are salary. Suppose 800, 900, 500, and 500. And what is the final output, guys? What is the final output? Guys, hello.
900.
800, 900 and 500.
Why 500? There are the two 500s there.
The 900.
Only 900, sir.
Only the final output
Only
is
900.
only 900. 900 is the unique salary, right? Understand the question. Write a query to display only unique salary, okay, for all the employee. Understood? Write down
Yes,
the example also. No copy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Write down
Yes,
this
sir.
example. Write down this example. Final output.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes. Tell me.
So why this is a unique? This is unique. So how we can say that 900 is a unique?
Okay. That's why we're using the distinct clause. Understand understand the definition, guys. Try to understand. This is the distinct clause, right? It is used to fetch only unique value. Distinct clause is used to fetch only unique value. This is the syntax. Select distinct clause, and this is the column name. It can be name also. It can be anything. This is the column name, right? Or form table name. And this is the syntax. Select distinct clause. Distinct. This is the and I want to fetch. This is the salary. This is the questions. Write a query to display only unique salary for all the employee, right? That's why I have given the distinct clause, and it will fetch only the unique value. Understood or not?
Okay, yes, sir, understood.
Any others? Any query? Any doubts? Hello, guys. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Write down, guys. After that, make the heading characteristic. Characteristic of select clause. Characteristic of select clause. Shall I erase? Everyone written
Yes,
or?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Characteristic of select clause. Write down. and make on point. In a select clause, we can specify. In a select clause, we can specify. Guys, are you written or not?
No, sir, can you repeat it again, sir?
Column or okay.
The characteristics of
भाई अनिर्बान तुम इंटरनेट का कुछ करो, तुम्हारा इंटरनेट इशू.
okay, sir. So characteristics of sir.
I'm writing just channel.
Okay, sir. Okay.
In a select clause,
Oh.
we can specify. We can specify column or star or operation. Or distinct clause or alias name. Guys, are you understood the alias name? What is alias name? Any idea?
No, sir.
किसी का निक नेम है, घर में कुछ बुलाता है, सर्टिफिकेट में कुछ है.
Yes, sir.
Sir, as.
Yes, this is the alias name, right?
Yes,
Alias
sir.
name is the nickname.
Yes, nickname.
As.
Okay, okay.
Alias. All the concept we are specify in the select clause. All the concept we are specify in the select clause. Okay, this is the one point. In select clause, we can specify column or star or operations or distinct clause or alias name. All the concept we are specify in the select clause. Okay, make the second point. Select clause is mainly responsible to select clause is mainly responsible to provide a final output. Okay, this is the second characteristic. One more characteristic is there. Select clause will execute row by row format. Okay, there are three characteristics in select clause. Guys, understood or not? Hello. In a select clause,
Yes,
we can specify column name, star, or operations, or distinct clause, or alias name. All the concept we are specifying in the select clause, right? And one more characteristic there. Select clause is mainly responsible to provide a final output. Select clause will execute row by row format. Okay. Okay. Then characteristic of form clause. Form clause is there. तो form clause क्या है? In a form clause, we are specifying table name. In a form clause, we are specify table name as a argument. Table name as a argument. Okay. In a form clause, form which table? Form employee table, right? See, the select clause is there, and form employee table, right? So say in a form clause, we are specify table name as a argument. Okay. And in a form clause, we can specify more than one table as argument. In a select form clause, we can specify more than one table as a argument. We can specify more than one table as a argument. When we join the multiple table, then we have to use the multiple table in a form clause, right? Form clause is mainly need to query execution. Form clause is mainly need to query execution. Query execution. Okay. There are three characteristics in form clause. Then, guys, what is alias name? Alias name, it is an alternative name give to the any of the column or expression is called as alias name. Right, guys, written. Shall I remove? Hello.
No, sir. No, sir. 1 minute.
Write down, guys, first. Guys, try to understand the characteristic, then only you will understand the query, right? And whatever the point I have discussed, then every point is important for your future. You just try to understand. If you have any query, you can ask, right? Every point in a form clause, we are specified table name as argument. Okay. In a form clause, we can specify more than one table as argument. In form clause is mainly need to query execution. If you have any doubt in this point, then you can ask. Okay. Shall I remove, guys? Hello.
Yes.
Everyone,
Yes,
written or
sir.
not?
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
then make the heading alias name, guys. Alias name. Alias name, right? It is a It is a alternative name. Given, give to the any column. Okay. Any column or expression is called as alias name. Guys, understood what is alias name? Hello.
Yes, sir.
It is an alternative name give to any column or expression is called as alias name. There are the syntax is there in alias name. This is the syntax. Okay. Select column name and alias name. Column name as alias name. This is the syntax, right? And form table name. Guys, write down the syntax. Guys, alias name understood or not? Everyone. If you have any query, you can ask.
Yes, sir, understood, sir.
Sir, please can you able to example, sir?
Uh,
Sir, can you explain the example?
okay, example चाहिए. Suppose, guys, you will understood when we'll use the alias name, then only you will understood. Select employee name as okay employee name. This is the column name, right? As EMP. Then it will consider as a employee. This is the EMP is the employee name. This is nothing but alias name. Understood? For employee table. Employee table. Okay. Yeah, it means short. You can give the alias name. Understood, guys, or not?
Yes, sir, it's understood.
Okay. Everyone written? Shall I remove?
No, sir. No, sir, no, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, sir, it's right, sir.
Sir, the alias name should not be changed the main table, no?
Should not be changed the main table. Yes, but
only-
it's the colon. Are you able to understand the colon, right? This it will make an the colon. It did not change the main table. Main table is there with the adjective, guys. Does not affect any the main table. Main
This
column.
is for the just presentation of that particular query.
Yes. It's just for the execution purpose. We have
Okay.
to use in the for the execution purpose.
Okay, sir.
It will not change affect any the main table values. Okay, guys, done.
Done, sir.
Okay. Then everyone understood the operator, right? Hello. Everyone know the operator. I taught you guys in the Java class also, Python class also. Operator are the same. Shall I teach or everyone know the operator? Hello.
Just slightly discuss about what is the connection with the SQL.
The same connection. There is no difference between operator is operator everywhere. There is the arithmetic
some
arithmetic
syntax you can give
operator.
that you
Same
can
same
do.
syntax. Same syntax. Arithmetic operator plus minus modules. This is the arithmetic operator. Relational operator. Less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, not equals to. Then concatenation operator is there. Concatenation operator you know already. The special operator. Also, there in SQL there is the special operator in there. That's only you have to understood. The special operator is there. Special operator. Special operator, it means it can be in and special operator also between and special operator is also is. This is also operator in SQL and like, then not, then not in, no, not in, not between, not between, and not like. These are the special operator in SQL and others is same. Understood, guys?
Yes,
Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
understood.
Okay. Or you have to know the concatenation operator also. Concatenation operator means concatenation operator. Concatenation operator means equals to and dash. This is the concatenation operator. You can also call it the pipeline. Okay, you can also call it the pipeline operation. Okay, then we will see the every points, every parts. And logical operator, you know, guys, and on war. This is the logical operator. Done? Done or not? Understood, guys?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, then there is the number literal, string literal is there, and date literals. Shall I give or don't know, guys? Number literals. Okay, guys, make the heading number literals. Make the heading number literals. It is a direct or immediate value. It is a direct or immediate value numbers type given to the ফোনে পাবে রাতে ফোন করলে পাবে hello okay done it is a direct or immediate value numbers types given to the only of the SQL statement. Example, I'm giving the example. This is the number literal, guys. Okay. An example. Suppose cell is the column, right? And I want to add the value directly on 100. So it means it is a direct or immediate value numbers type given to the only of the SQL statement. Okay. Then string literals. Then make the heading string literals. What is string literal? It is a direct or immediate value types of string given to the any of the SQL statement. Okay. Hello.
Sir, please repeat.
Sir, can you please repeat this?
It is a direct or immediate value. It is a direct or immediate value types of string given to the any of the SQL statement. Okay.
Sir,
Then
can you repeat
thing-
from start?
It is a direct or immediate value.
Immediate value.
Yes. Type string given to the any of the SQL statement. Okay. Then all more literals is there. Date literals. Date literals. Okay, write down the definition. It is a direct or immediate value. It is a direct or immediate value. Hello. Yes, tell me.
Sir, can you repeat again? No, the one.
Which one?
It's a direct to immediate value, sir.
Date literals or string literals? Hello.
Sir, from start, it is a direct to immediate value, then
So which literals, guys? You tell na. Date literals.
Dead literals, sir.
Okay, it is a direct or immediate value given to the date type of any SQL statement. Given to the date type of any SQL statement. Done? And write the example. Suppose day and month and year. Okay. This is the example of date type. Done, everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then write on question.
Sir, can you give an example of string literals?
I will when I will give the query, then you will understand the string literals. Just write on the definition.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Write a
Sir,
query.
yes, sir.
to-
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Yes, Anirban, tell me. Okay,
Sir,
Anirban,
actually, I am some-
you just tell all the questions. Whatever the questions you have, you just ask, then I will continue. Tell me. Tell me, Anirban. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We're
Actually,
not
I have some
audible to
network
you.
issue, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Sir, actually, I have some network issue. Okay. Network is not
So you have to
like,
check your
okay.
internet connection, guys. You are why you're disturbing.
No, sir. Actually, it is my net is not steady. Actually. Okay, sir.
So
Can you
change the internet connection. Change the SIM operators. You just change the switch to the Geo or any other network. You can switch.
Okay, sir. It is a direct image value next. Can you repeat, please?
You guys go through the video. Once I upload in the YouTube, then you will see the video, right?
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Then write a query to display. Write a query to display write a query to display employee name and commission and annual salary. Commission and annual salary for all the employees. Tell me, guys. Anyone, any idea? Write a query to display employee name and commission and annual salary for all the employees. Anyone, any idea?
Select employee name.
Select.
Employee name.
Okay, name. Then
Commission and annual salary.
where I have to give.
No, sir, no, sir, sorry.
Guys, go back to the characteristic. The select clause. What is the characteristic of select clause? Guys. Hello.
Yes,
What
sir.
is the characteristic of select clause? In
In
a select clause
we can specify column or star or operations or
or
distinct clause.
or alias name, also call the concept we can specify in the select clause, right? Select clause is mainly responsible to provide a final output, and select clause will execute row by row, right? So select clause, we can specify column name, right? So whatever the column name you want to display, name, commission, and annual salary. We have to specify the name, comma, commission, COM, this is the commission, and annual salary. How to put, guys, the annual salary? Sal is the column name, right? Sal is the column name into 12. This is the annual salary from what? From employee table. EMP from employee table. This is the query of this questions. Understood, guys?
Actually, salary is the monthly salary.
Yes. Salary is the monthly salary. Everyone's
Okay,
salary is the
okay,
monthly
okay,
salary,
okay,
right?
Okay.
So you have to put like this. Write a query to display employee name, this is the on condition, and commission and annual salary. There are 3 columns need to display. We need to display for all the employee. There is no condition is there that this employee or this that employee, right? That's why I have given the select employee name. This is the first condition is done. This one commission. This is the COMM. This is the commission column name, right? Salary. This is the column name of salary table. Salary, right? And there is the condition annual salary. Annual salary, it means whatever the you have salary, then multiply by the 12. This is the annual salary, right? So that's why I have given sal into 12 from where? The employee table. Understood, guys, or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Yeah, understood, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
Can
Any
I do
queries?
can I do one thing in this query? We put the salary into 12 as alias name like annual salary.
Alias name. Yes, you
Alias
can.
name. In the
Alias name. When we put the alias name, then I'll teach guys. Just to try to understand this one. Where
okay.
we have to push the alias name, where we have to give the alias name, why we give the alias name.
Okay, sir.
There are some parts there. Just try to understand this kind of thing. Okay. So till now understood everyone or not? Or any question in
Hello.
this part? Yes.
So salary
Hmm. Tell me.
salary into 12, it is a number literals.
Yes, yes, number literals. Okay, go back and check the characteristic, guys. And literals also is there. You just try to understand the literals and characteristic of select clause and form clause. This is the form clause, right? This is the form clause. I told we can specify the table name. This is the table name. Employee, this is the EMP is the table name, right? We can specify table name as a argument. I have given the argument, right? And select clause also we can specify column name, star, operation, expression, alias name, distinct clause. All the concept we have to specify in the select clause, right? There is the characteristic. That's why I have given the characteristic. Why it is working, why it will work, why we have to put here in select clause the column name and this kind of operation. That's why I have given the characteristic, guys. Okay. Okay, then write down the one more question. Write a query to display. Guys, write down. Write a query to display. Okay. Employee name. Employee name. Guys, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Employee name, half term of salary. Employee name and half term of salary. Half term of salary and commission. Commission for all the employee. Tell me guys, answer. Anyone idea? Half term of salary. There is the annual salary and here is the half term of salary. Tell me the answer.
Divided by 6, sir. Divided by
Divide-
12, sir.
Hmm?
Sorry, sir.
Sir,
Divided by 6.
Select e-name,
Select e-name,
Select.
e-name,
e-name salary into 6
Okay.
and
E-name.
commission.
E-name salary into 6. Here cell into 6, then
Then commission. Commission.
then we have to separate by the comma, right? And commission, right?
From EMP tab. From
From-
employee.
Okay. Okay. Understood or not?
Sir, why it is in first bucket?
Hmm?
Why it is in first bucket? Salary into six.
Because there is some operation will do inside this brackets. That's why I have given the first bracket. You have to give or not, but then it will work, right? You just give the bracket, then only. Okay, then one more question is there. Tell me. Write a query to display employee name, salary, and annual salary, or annual commission, and salary with hike of 1,000 for all the employees. Write a query to display.
Sir, can you write the
Yes,
query
I'm
in
writing. I'm writing. Okay.
Okay.
Write a query to display employee name and salary and annual commission. Annual commission and salary with hike. Are you aware with the hike, guys? 1,000 for all the employee. Okay, write a query to display employee name, salary, and annual commission, and salary with 1,000 hike for all the employee. Tell me, guys, any idea?
Select e-name.
Select e-name, then
Then salary.
okay, sal
And commission into 12.
okay, commission into 12, then
Then sir,
Salary.
that hike.
Salary plus 1,000.
Salary plus 1,000. Salary plus 1,000.
okay, sal plus 1,000. This is the hike, right? From
EMP table. From employee.
EMP. Understood, guys? Others understood or not? Everyone
sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone, if you have any query, you can ask. This is the simple and easiest query.
Commission into 12 or salary into 12?
Hmm. Commission into 12, it means annual commission, and salary plus 1,000 hike. Okay, and all the employee. That's why I given in select clause, right? Okay, everyone, written or written? Everyone written?
Yes,
Shall
sir.
I
Yes,
remove?
sir.
Yes,
Shall I
sir.
remove?
Yes, sir. It's complete.
Okay. Okay, guys, make the headings order by clause. Order by clause. It is used to sort the output, it is used to sort the output in ascending or descending order. It is used to sort the output in ascending or descending order. By default, order by clause sort the output ascending order format. By
Can you repeat
default,
again? Can you repeat again, sir?
yes, I am repeating that. It is used to sort the output
Yes, sir.
in ascending or descending order. By default, order by clause sort the output ascending order format. Ascending order format. The next line.
Sir, once again.
It is used to sort the output in ascending or descending order. By default, order by clause sort the output by default in order by clause sort the output in ascending order format. In ascending order format. The next line. In order by clause, the specific descending DESC keyword in order by clause, the specific DESC keyword is mandatory. DESC keyword is mandatory because whenever we sort the output in descending order, whenever we sort the output in descending order, then we should use DESC keyword. DESC keyword. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat again this one? This last sentence.
Everyone need to repeat or only one? Hello.
Sir, repeat, sir. Repeat.
Okay, I'm writing, right? The second line. In order by clause, the specific DESC keyword is mandatory. Mandatory because whenever we sort the output in descending order.
Hmm.
Then we have to use, we should use DESC keyword. Okay. Okay, done. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Anirban,
done, sir.
done.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, very good. Syntax. Syntax of order by clause. Select column name or star from table name. Okay. Then order by clause, then column name or expression or ASC. It means ascending or DESC and the descending. Okay. This is the syntax for order by clause. Then write down on question, write a query. Hello.
Yes, sir. Write a query.
को बोल के नहीं होगा. Write a query to display all the salary value, all the salary value
Salary value.
is ascending order. Is ascending order format. Tell me guys, what is the query? Any idea? Okay, I'm telling you the on first query, then you have to tell next query. Okay, select cell. It means salary, right? All the salary. Okay, and form where? Form EMP table, right? Okay, then order by ascending or descending, guys? Order by
Ascending.
salary. Ascending, ASC. It will give the ascending order salary. Understood? Write a query to display all the salary value is ascending order format. This is the query of this question. Okay. Then write down the one more question. Write a query to display all the salary value is descending order format. Then tell me the query. Descending order format.
Select salary
Select cell or
Select cell
EMP.
from employee
EMP table. Order
from
by
Order by
EMP table.
order
salary
by cell DAC.
descending.
Okay. So order by
By cell
cell
DSC.
DESC. Right?
Yes, sir.
This is the query. Understood, guys? Order by clause or any query?
Understood.
Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, if you have any query, you can ask, guys. Don't worry.
Hello, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, in order by clause, you told that by default it will take the ascending order. So
Yes,
should I have to
yes.
put ascending in the first query, or I have to remove that?
You don't have to put the first query, then it will take only in the ascending order. I'm just showing you this is the
Okay,
ascending
okay,
order.
okay.
No need
But
to
in
put the
descending order, we have to
ascending.
put. In
Yes,
descending-
yes, descending order in the mandatory. I have
Okay.
given the notes. So
Yes,
you
yes,
just try to understand the notes, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's why I have given, and I'm giving you the example also. Then only you will understood what exactly is the fact in the working in this SQL statement, right? Okay, shall I remove, guys? Hello.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then drawback of projection. Write down the, make the heading drawback of projection. Okay. In projection, we can select the wall row and in the projection we can select required number of column. Required number of column and all the column and all the column by default row is selected. By default a row is selected. Okay. A drawback. This is the drawback of projection. In projection we can select all the row and in projection we can select required number of column. Okay, and all the column by default row is selected. This is the drawback. To overcome this drawback, we go for selection. Okay, then what is selection? What is selection? To make the heading selection.
Just wait.
Selection. It is the fetching or retrieving or accessing the data from the specific table by the selecting all the column.
So fetching or retrieving,
Retrieving. I don't know the spelling, guys. You know the correct spelling, you just write the correct spelling. Consider it.
Okay.
For required number of column and we can select required number of rows is called as selection. Okay, this is the drawback of projection. In projection we can select all the row and no need this one, all the row and required number of column, and all the column by default row is selected. This is the drawback of projection. Okay, and to overcome this drawback, then we go for selection. The selection, there is a definition of selection: fetching or retrieving or accessing the data from the specific table by the selecting all the column or required number of column, and we can select required number of row is called as selection. Okay, I'm giving you the an example. Suppose there is the on table C1 C. Okay, this is the R1 row 1, R1, R2, R3 and R4, and C1, C2, C3 and C4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this is the table, right? This is the table. In selection, what is the definition? Fetching or retrieving the data by selecting all the column. Okay, by selecting all the column C1, C2, C3 and C4, and required number of row, or okay, all the column by selecting all the column or required number of column, and we can selecting the required number of rows. Okay, so required number of rows, yeah, if I want to select only the 2 rows, R1 and R2, the required number of row we can select. Okay, and the one more example is there, you can see, and one more definition is there. Then we can required number of columns, and we can select the required number of row. Required number of row is done. Okay, and all the columns also is done. Okay, then you can we can select also the required number of column. Required number of column means C1 and C2, just I want to display, and plus the required number of column also, now row also, then R1 and R2, I want to fetch only this column, R1 and R2, right, row and column. Understood? This is the selection, this is the advantage of selection. Guys, draw this diagram on your copy. Done, everyone? Hello?
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir.
Okay. Any questions? The record number and all the column and record number of column, all the row and record number of row. Guys, understood or not? Hello? Hello? Any query?
Yes, no, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, guys, write down this one. Then I am sharing the attendance link. Please give the attendance. Guys, I have shared the attendance link. Please give the attendance. Understood.
Sir, how to get the recording?
Ramakanto will provide to you. in the group.
Sir, in previous class I am not there. This is my first class. Then first class recording.
The previous class recording has been shared in YouTube.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
So,
বলছি আরেকবার লিংকটা শেয়ার করবেন একটু নেটওয়ার্ক ইস্যুর জন্য
Hello,
আমি
sir.
রিজয়েন হলাম।
Hello, sir.
hmm.
Sir, there is no data science team 15. Should I
There
select
is-
team 16 then?
So yeah, you can select the 16, then you can do the. You just give, then I'll update.
Okay, sir. Then please, sir, add team 15, please.
Okay, okay.
Sir, previous class recording, which channel?
Ramakanto.
मतलब
PCS Global official channel. In
Yes,
which
Ramakanto, you just share that particular video link on the.
Yes, sir. I am
Yes, sir.
particularly
Then
share.
which team from you?
Hello, which team you belong?
I'm from Java full stack.
Okay. By
Java
today
full
night.
stack. Then which team? 24.
24.
Okay, Ramakanto, you just.
হ্যাঁ স্যার আমি
on
আজকে
that-
শেয়ার করব রাতে।
হ্যাঁ একটু শেয়ার করে দিন।
ওকে।
And sir, please add the team 15.
Okay, I'll add.
Okay, sir.
My batch is FY 23-24.
Okay. FY 23-24, right?
Yes.
Okay. I will set that.
Ramakanto, you can give the YouTube link. YouTube.
Yes, you please,
official YouTube link. Official YouTube, official global.
just a minute. I am sharing the official PCS Global YouTube link in the chat box. Please subscribe them. Okay.
And the video will be
And you
uploaded
will-
by tonight. You can get the video. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Video link on the SQL fast class. Okay. Everyone given the attendance? Hello.
So students,
Yes, sir.
stop the recording.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
So students, stop the recording.
Hi.
Okay, sir. I asked.
Okay. Then write down the syntax for the select clause. Shall I remove this one?
Yes, sir.
निर्मला सीताराम जिंदा है. Okay. The syntax for the select clause. Select star column name from table name where column name or condition Okay, write down the syntax. See, at first we'll execute from clause. At first we'll execute from clause. Then where clause. Then second time we'll execute where clause. And third time we'll execute select clause. Write down. Okay, then write down the character, make the headings characteristic of where clause. Characteristic of where clause, right? Then on in where clause, is used to filter the record. Filter the record. And two, where clause will select the record and reject the record. Where clause will select the record and reject the record. Okay. And 3 number, in a where clause we can specify column name as a condition. Column name as a condition. Okay. The syntax of the where clause. Syntax for the where clause condition. Where, then LHS, left hand side. This is the LHS value. After that, relational operator. A relational operator. Okay. Then RHS, right hand side value. Okay. LHS means column name or expression. Okay. And relational operation means less than. Okay, then I say you have to give an first bracket less than, greater than, comma, less than equals to, comma, greater than equals to, equals to, not equals to. This kind of operation we will use in the relational operator, right? and RHS is the direct value. RHS is the direct value. This is the syntax for where clause, right? This is the where condition, right? This is the LHS value, which is column name or expression, and in between there is the relational operator, then RHS value. Okay, guys, write down this syntax. This is the syntax for where clause in conditional operator. Done, guys? Shall I remove? Hello?
No, sir, 1 minute. Sir.
No, sir, wait.
जल्दी करो, जल्दी करो.
Yes, sir, complete. Sir.
Okay. Then in where clause there is the one more characteristic is there. I just try to understand. I have written 3, right? And make the 4. Where clause will select the record if the condition is true. If the condition is true. Okay, where clause will select the record, if the condition is true. Then number 5, where clause will reject the record if the condition is false. Where clause will reject the record if the condition is false. Okay, then number 6, where clause will execute the file, where clause will execute till the last of the record. Or you can take also the last record of the table. Okay, the number 7, where clause will execute row by row format. Where clause will execute row by row format. Okay, and number 8, where clause will not execute multiple condition in a single line. Will not execute multiple condition in a single line. Or single sort, you can say also. Understood, guys? Hello. Where
Yes, sir.
clause? Where clause will select the record if the condition is true. Where clause will reject the record if the condition is false. Where clause will execute till the last record of the table. Okay. Where clause will execute row by row format, and where clause will not execute the multiple condition in a single sort. Okay. This is the characteristic of where clause. Any query in this part, guys? If you have any query, then let me know. Then you can ask also. Shall I remove? Then I will give an example. Then I will give some query for your assignment. Okay, today I will not give the assignment. I'll give next. Guys, written? Shall I remove? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm making a table, employee table. Employee table, which is EMP number, and employee name, and salary. I make it 3 table. Employee 1, suppose Janu. 2, there is the Jayant. Okay, salary is a 70K and 64K. 64K and 3 is the Samir 1.2 lakh. Okay, and there is the Sri salary 80K. And one more, I've given the one more record, which is Haris. Haris 68K. I make a table and given I'm storing the 5 record, right? And I'm giving a questions. Write a query to display. Write down the question. Write a query to display employee name, and salary, employee name and salary. If the employee earning if the employee earning more than 65K, more than 65K. Are you able to write the answer, guys? Hello? Hello? Write a query to display employee name and salary if the employee earning more than 65K. How many have the 65K? 1, 2, 3, and 4 record is the 65K, right? So select then select ename
salary, cell,
comma cell
and from employee,
from EMP
where
where
salary greater than salary
salary greater than
65K.
52. No.
yes 65K. Okay, 65K. This is the query. Then which one will first execute? Which one? Right? Which one will first execute?
From
employee to
Okay, from employee. The second, this
where
one.
salary.
Okay, then third one, this one. Okay, then how can I tell then this kind of operation will work or not? Then you have to know the condition. Okay, then it will check the condition. Condition. हम कैसे विश्वास कर ले जब वो वर्क करेगा कि नहीं, हम चेक करेंगे. Condition. Okay, then at first 70K salary, right? It will check only first time the 70K greater than 65K. Condition true or false, guys? Hello?
True, sir.
Yes, condition is true, right? One condition is true. Then what is the salary? This one?
64K.
64K.
64K greater than 65.
False.
Condition true or false?
False.
Okay, the condition is
False.
Okay, then it will check. Then 1.2 LP L greater than 65K. Condition true or false?
True.
True.
Yes, condition is true. Then true. Again, it will check the 80K greater than 65K.
True.
Condition true. Condition is
True.
true. Again, it will check the 68K.
68K.
This is the true.
This is also true, right? Greater than 65. Then this one also true. Then how many have true?
4.
The where this is the output, right? Then where output, this is the where condition output. Okay, so where condition output. One Janu, the employee name is Janu, right? Janu is 70K. Okay, then 2 2 1 is the giant.
Three.
Giant. Okay, 3. Directly 3. 2 is false, right? 3. 3 is the Samir.
Samir, Shri, or Harish.
Okay, then Samir. Samir, which is 1.2 lakh. 2 lakh. Then 4. And 4. Sri. Sri will get executed, right?
80.
The 80K. 80K. Okay, then after that Harish, right?
Harish.
5.
Harish is 68K.
5. 68K. Okay, this is the where condition output, right? Then final output. What is the final output? Check. Final output. Janu 70K. Check the condition. E-name and salary. I need to execute, right? This is the final output. This is the third. Okay. Then last condition is the final output, right? E-name and salary only. I don't need to execute the employee number. I just want to display name and salary. Then Janu, Samir. Okay.
1.2 lakh.
1.2 lakh, and then
Shri, 80K.
Sri 80K.
Harish,
Okay.
68K.
And Harish 68K. 68K. This is the final output.
Yes.
Guys, understood or not? This is
Understood, sir.
This is 3 lines of code and internally work this kind of operation. You just write down on your copy. You just write down on your copy like this only. Then only you will understood in the where clause. Okay. Guys, if you have any query in this part, then let me know.
No, sir.
Ramakant,
Yes, sir.
understood or not?
Yes, sir. Understood. Just writing, sir.
Okay. अच्छा, ऐसे पढ़े या फास्ट करे?
हाँ सर,
ऐसा अच्छा ही तो कर रहे हैं।
ऐसे ही
नहीं
पढ़ा है सर।
नहीं, अगर चाहिए तो हाँ ठीक है, हम फास्ट पढ़ा देते हैं, जल्द से जल्द खत्म हो
नहीं
जाए।
सर, नहीं सर, ठीक
नहीं
है।
सर, ऐसे ही
सबके
सर
लिए
ठीक है।
सुविधा होगा। सब लोग समझ सकता है।
जल्दबाजी में कोई
लोग भी
काम नहीं करना चाहिए सर। तो जल्दबाजी में कोई काम नहीं करना चाहिए सर।
नहीं, देखो, तुम लोगों को समझ में आना चाहिए, हम जैसे भी करें, जो भी करें, पॉइंट टू पॉइंट। अगर तुम लोगों को कोई डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हो, क्योंकि एवरी पॉइंट इज इम्पोर्टेंट। दिस इज द ट्रेजिंग, राइट?
थोड़ा सा फास्ट कर सकते हैं सर।
कौन बोल रहा है? अनिर्बन, राइट?
यस सर।
भाई तुम फास्ट हो जाओ, क्लास फास्ट हो जाएगा।
ओके।
हो गया सबका?
नो सर, थोड़ा सा
बोला ना, तुम फास्ट हो जाओ, क्लास फास्ट चलेगा।
ओके सर।
Shall I remove, guys? Do fast.
sir.
Hmm?
Sir, 1 minute.
Everyone done?
Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Then I'm giving you one question. Write a query to display. Write a query to display employee number and salary if the salary less than 80K.
Sir, can you repeat it?
Write a query to display. Write a query to display employee number. Write a query to display employee number
Number.
and salary. Write a query to display employee number and salary less than 80K. Less than.
Less than 80K. Oh, sir.
Okay. Then tell me the answer.
Select employee number.
Select
Employee number. E number.
Okay.
And
EMP number. Okay.
and salary
And salary
from employee table.
from EMP table
Where
where
salary
Salary
less than
less than
80K.
80K. 80K. Salary.
where
Salary less than salary. Salary
Salary
less than 80K.
less than 80K.
80K.
Okay. Then tell me the output. What is the output?
Sir, Janu, Jayan,
Okay.
and Harish.
Janu.
Jayan.
70K.
70K.
Sir, because it's an employee number only, not name.
Yes, sir. Only the number.
Number 1.
Sir,
Employee number 1.
Yes, sir.
उसको मजा नहीं लगा जानो.
1, 2, and 8. And
1,
5.
2, and
1, 2, 5.
yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5.
No, 3 is there. 1.7 lakh.
Oh, 1.7 lakh. Oh, okay.
170K.
1 to 5.
260K.
1 to 5, sir.
Okay. What is the condition? Less than 80K means what? 80K. Okay. And it will check the condition. 70K less than 80K. Condition true or false?
True.
Condition true.
True.
Okay. Then 64K less than 80K. Condition true or false?
True.
True. Then 1.2
False.
LPA less than 80. Condition
False.
false. Then 80K less than 80K.
This is
Condition
the
true or
false.
false?
This is
False.
also false.
Tell me, guys, true or false? Less than
False,
80.
sir.
False.
Yes. Sir. How many have false? Raise your hand.
Rituparna Ghosh. Rituparna
Hmm?
9696.
Okay.
False.
And others. How many have false? They agree with the false. Okay. Anirban. So no need. Okay. Okay, only the 4 people is false, then others true, right? Okay, this is the false. Okay, then 65K, the 68K less than 80K.
True, sir.
It is true, right? So how many of the true, guys? And one more is there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's done. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 is true, right? 1, 80. No, 70 is it? Sorry, 70. And which one is true? Then 2, right? 2, 64. Then which one?
5. What is 68K? 5.
68K. Harish, right?
Hmm.
And 5.
5. 1 to 5.
Understood or not?
Yes.
Understood, sir.
Okay. Okay. Write down, guys. Write down the query. Shall I remove, guys?
Sir, remove, sir. No need to write, sir. Understood.
Shall I remove?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write a query to display. Write a query to display
Yes, sir.
employee details. Employee details. If the employee salary should be 65.
Employee details, then, sir.
If the employee salary should be 65K. Tell me the answer.
Select employee number.
Select
Employee number.
employee number. What I want? Employee
Select
details.
start.
Select
Select
start.
start from.
Yes, star
Start from
from
employee.
EMP.
From employee.
Okay. Where?
Where salary.
Salary.
Huh?
Sir, should be 60K. Salary equals to 60K.
Is equal to 65K.
Yes.
65K. Sorry. 65K.
65K. Yes. Understood, everyone? Okay, guys, write down this question also. Okay, done, everyone?
Done, sir.
Okay, guys. Okay, I'm stopping here. Okay, we'll meet you next class. Okay, bye. Good night.
Bye, sir. Good night.
Okay, sir. Good night.
Thank you,
Good night,
sir.
everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.